Hello everyone. Today we will learn Class 6 Mathematics Chapter 4, which is Basic Geometrical Ideas. So in this chapter we will discuss about geometry and the term related to geometry. So now come to introduction of this one. The term geometry is derived from a Greek word geometron. Okay, again the geometry is derived from a Greek word geometron. This geometron is formed using two words, geo and matron. Geo and matron. Now come to the meaning of that one. Geo means earth and matron means measurement. If you combine these two, that is earth and measurement, it gives the meaning of geometry. That is, geometry means we can say that measurement of earth. Measurement of earth is known as geometry. While we are measuring anything in the earth, that is about any substance or any object, that is known as geometry. Now come to the terms of geometry. First one is point. It is the position or location on a plane surface which is denoted by a capital letter. A point is the position or location of any object on the plane surface and it is denoted by capital letter, or we can say that a teeny dot is represent a point. While we are putting any dot on the surface, that represent a point. Look at this one. Here, this is the point. This dot represent the point and it is denoted by a capital letter, that is A. Here this dot is point and it is denoted by the letter A. We are putting any dot on the surface, that is known as points. Now come to the second topic, that is line segment. Our second point is line segment. So it is the shortest distance between 2 points. The shortest distance between 2 points is known as line segment, or we can say that it is the combination of many points in a straight line having two endpoints. Combination of many points in a straight line having two endpoints is known as line segment. Look at this one. Here is the line segment and the two endpoints are A and B. Here A and B are the endpoint. Look at this. The point A and B are the endpoints of the line segment. Here this one is the point and another one is the point B. Point A and point B. It can be written as, its name is, that is, look at this one, that is AB. So you have to write the 2 points. Here A and B are the points and you have to write the points, and above that one you have to draw a line that shows the line segment. You have to just draw a line. Look at this, and that line represents the line segment. Now come to the line. What is line? A line is obtained when a line segment extends on both sides indefinitely. If you moves both sides of a line segment indefinitely, that has no endpoint. We can say that has no endpoint. That is known as line. Look at this one. Here I have extended the point A and B on the both side. Here the arrow. Look at this one. The arrow represents that it has no endpoint. It moves endlessly in both directions. So we can say that this is a line. A line segment having no endpoint is known as line. And here is another line. The first line is represented with the help of two capital letters. We can represent the line with the help of small letter also. That is single small letter. Here I have taken M. This M represents this line. Now come to the how to represent that one. Look at this one. This AB line segment can be written as AB, and you have to draw a line and you have to put two arrow mark like this that show this line having arrow mark, so the line. Okay, AB, and you have to draw a line having two arrow mark on both sides. This show the line. Next one is here, as you have already discussed, line segment and lines. Line segment and difference between line segment and line is, line segment has two endpoints and line has no end point. Now come to intersecting lines. Two distinct lines that share one common point. Two lines having one common point is known as intersecting lines. Look at this one. Here first line is M and another one is L. Two lines having one common point. They share a common point and that is known as point of intersection. Here the common point is C and we can say that this joining is known as the point of intersection, or we can say that the common point. Here we have formed using two lines, that is L and N, and the intersecting point is C. Here are some real examples related to intersecting lines. Look at this one. Look at the picture. Here are the intersecting lines. Here are some sticks that are put one by one that form a common point. Here is the common point and this common point show the intersecting lines. Next, look at another picture. This one. This has two line cross and this cross line is known as intersecting lines. Now come to parallel lines. Parallel lines are the lines which are always same distance apart. Two lines having same distance apart and never intersect anywhere in a plane. These are the two lines. They are always equidistant from each other and never intersect anywhere in the plane. Look at this picture. Here are the two lines, first line and second line, and both are equidistant at each and every point, here, here and here. If we measure the distance, we get same distance anywhere, and these two lines never cross each other. Then you can say that they are parallel lines. So here are some real life example related to this one. Look at this. You have seen that while we are drawing a running track, okay, for 100 meter or 50 meter, we have draw line that look like this one. That lines are of this type, and these lines are parallel to each other. The track of railway, all these are parallel to each other. And look at this picture, another one. Here, all these lines are black or white. If you select any of these, they are parallel to each other. The gap between any two is equal always, and they will never intersect, means never cross each other. So these lines are parallel lines. Now come to rays. A ray is a line which starts from a particular point and goes infinitely towards a particular direction. So you can say that it is a starting point but no ending point. Look at this one. It starts from here and goes endlessly towards other direction. So a ray has a starting point but no ending point. Some real life example of this one is, look at this one. Here sun gives us light and it spreads in all direction. It has starting point, that is sun, but no ending point. So this is known as ray. If we on the torch, then we get light ray. Look at this one. These are the light ray. So it has no end point. We can't measure the distance of any light ray. So these are some example related to real life from ray. That's all. Thank you, students.